Alright, let's go. Have a good time. Yes, hello. Henry? Where are you? In the complex? Called the Wall? Oh, yes, of course, sir. We'll be right there. Sit tight. I'll let you know when we're close. Where exactly are you? Cafeteria? Okay, got the map here. Yes, there you are. Alright. How do you want to do this? We have to go! Get to the airship! You can use this to get there. That was a close one, Henry. But I'm not going to pull you up. See, without you, I become the leader of the Tuppet clan again. I just wanted to look you in the eyes as I took it all back. Goodbye.